have this travel size cleansing oil from the very famous brand DHC. This cleansing oil is considered one of the holy grail products of the Japanese beauty community. It's a one-step oil cleanser that melts away makeup, leaving the skin soft and clean. It's supposed to take away even waterproof mascara and all residue from the face. I've used this a couple of times on a full face of makeup and I love it. It takes off all of my makeup in just the first attempt. I of course follow up with a good facial cleanser thereafter, and the best part about it is I did not break out. I have tried similar products like these before, so I had no doubt that this was going to be a good cleanser. And I have heard so much about this product from other bloggers as well. It's in Allure's Best of Beauty products. I like to take 1.5 pump, massage this all over my face for about a minute, then take a little bit of water and emulsify it on my face, and then wash it and follow up with my usual cleanser. What I generally like about Asian beauty products is its quality, and they come in different sizings of bottles, so it's just easy to try and it's good at the price point as well. I am definitely going to recommend you try this product. Or if you're visiting Japan, I think this would be an amazing souvenir to bring back for your family and friends that are into beauty and skincare. And I know this is priced at $14 on the website for about 2.3 fluid ounce bottle, and the 6.7 fluid ounce bottle is priced at $28. They do have other sizes that you could check out as well. Other than their website, you can also find this at Ulta, Derm Store in the US, Look Fantastic in the UK also carries them, Feel Unique, and also available on yesstyle.com. I'm also going to put a link to Amazon in the description box so you can go and check that out. This cleansing oil can be used on all skin type, but I do suggest to always do a patch test when introducing new skincare products to your skin. I love the packaging of this bottle. You do get it in a transparent plastic bottle with a pump, which is very easy to travel with and is very hygienic. Adding the ingredient list here for you to read. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, I suggest you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in my next. Bye!